I wanted to do a vlog today. Hi! Hi, we're here, and nobody's here.
Grade 11 in lab 1, grade 12 and 13 in lab 2. And whatever class that you're slated for, so if you had a grade 7, you just go down to the grade 7 in the classroom. And just monitor them for the time period. So whichever hour you have a class, you just go down and just monitor them. That's what I'm telling the teachers, the same thing like I said.
Sure, so Sun City still coming today?
Yeah. So at least when they come, you say, alright.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shike. I do all kinds of beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So today's Friday, so just doing a vlog. I'm not minding me, it needs to fix. Right now I'll go on for so. Anyways, so yeah, just bringing you guys on to stay.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me with nothing.
They want to give to him anyway. So I just want to encourage Fabian to continue doing well, and I'll continue campaigning on Instagram and other social media for you.
All right, there you have it. So just Starboy, we continue the vibe here. You're going to continue your vibe in studio, but it's all about the Sun City High School District Competition 2023 or 10 stop. And guess what? It's our third time here at Kelly's because every single year they give us a DJ and the DJs are doing very well. So Kelly's, let's hear it once more. Kelly's time!
Me, are the in-house judge for the whole competition. If you honor the disc jockey, them come on the radio station and they see how them operate. Some of them come forward in the station and them walk past you, them just say good morning, good evening, nothing. Them not manners. I see that you you know why I'm found down here? To tell what a person is supporting.
Yes!
You know what? When I reach at the radio station in the morning and I walk in, and I say good morning, he was sitting down in the chair.
And he get up.
And he gave us the English style of good morning. He got up the chair and said, good morning, sir. So, for some reason, out of all of the schools and the competition, let us rate that school like different. Our next school at Clarendon, now I'm telling you. But I make sure say the far out of them school that's the reason, you know.
True, we like that.
Yeah. I don't know, no joke thing, I'm telling you from my heart. I don't want to see that school up on social media. I don't want to see a boy, I fight a boy, and a girl, I fight a girl, and some little sketchy behavior.
True.
Ladies must act like ladies, and young men must act like young men.
True. So in this section, I would just want to pause the video to just talk to you guys about a kind of like a sponsorship. I'm not really, get nothing but just a little bit of exposure. So one of my videos was recently mentioned on this site. This site's called travopo.com. I can't really pronounce the name, but it's travopo.com. They deal with travel. Pretty much it's a site about traveling. You can choose which destination you want to go to, compare deals and all of that. It has quite a few, features, but my favorites is the section that I was mentioned in, which I think is pretty cool. A lot of times you go on some of the travel sites, y'all know them, right? Y'all know them. I love them, but it gets frustrating sometimes. You go on, you see this place, you want to find it on video, and there is no video for it to actually see. Now travopo actually have the videos there, so my video was actually featured on the fun things to do in Trelawney. It's a travel guide 2023 best places to visit, and it has tons of videos, which I will show right here, on it, that are activities in Trelawney. And I think it's pretty cool because you have all that information in just one section. So you can just go to that site, you can scroll, and you find a video or videos, and decide where you want to travel, where you want to go for your next travel. I think it's pretty cool. So you, my lovelies, should go ahead and check that out. It'll be in my description down below. Let's get back to the video. Hey guys, so I am back home quite some time now. Who knows? I don't even know how long, because school ended early. We're having Sun City. I don't know if I had finished explaining. Sun City came because we are a part of this jockey competition. So so you guys can check out their page. It's Sun City. I'll just put it somewhere. So yeah, when you go on it, look for DJ Fabian Iconic and vote for him whenever his picture come up again. So yeah, make sure you vote for him so that we can go to the finals. So yes, so we have a packed weekend this weekend. We have what we called a youth weekend bliss. We had this last year, I think. Was it last year? I think so. And we had what's it called? We had sports day and some other activities. So right now we're supposed to have prayer vigil / FaceTime. So we're supposed to have a little prayer section and then a little fun section, another other activities, fun activities. Yeah. So we're actually getting ready to go over. But take off the wig because so I'm gonna be rocking. I'm still contemplating doing my hair because I can't manage it and the headache has been killing me again. So not even the wig me can't manage because the wigs are tight around my head, so that's giving me headache as well. So the only thing right now is to process the hair. I don't even know. I don't know. Yeah. So I did buy the relaxer, so it's just to decide where I'm gonna do it. But yes, we have that for this evening. This might be a long vlog because I don't want to split it up. So this is going, I hope you guys will watch the entire vlog. Please watch, comment, share, subscribe. Guys, y'all need to subscribe and y'all need to share the video because we want to grow. And please watch also, even if you don't know watch the video, put on your video, make it just run. I'm looking so bright. Yeah, put on your video, make it just run. Please, me a beg, me just have beg. Yeah, I'm not big enough for nothing, but me a big enough for this. So just let the video run. Yeah, so that I can get the watch time, because that is what I am lacking for the most part, the watch time. I need more watch time. So if you guys could just put the video down there, put on the video them. I have quite a few playlists and so if you want to really help me out, yeah, and when I start help me out, we can do little giveaways on the channel, But I can't do giveaways without money. But I get no money, so. Anyways, so we're gonna go over and set up. We start set up already. We'll finish set up and then see where things go. We don't see nobody yet, and it's like 5:26 or 27, near 5:30, and at 5:30 event starts. So fingers crossed, we get people to come out. Yeah, or a lot of people. Good amount. We just want the kids to come out and the little young adults we have, so we can actually have a successful event. Then tomorrow, we know we're gonna deal with a bag of things with the sports day and all. That's gonna tear some, but it will be fun. Hopefully, if them come out and not get boring, you know. So we're gonna go over. Okay, bye. The skies are so beautiful. Nice evening, isn't it?
For this year, apart from anybody else knows our theme for this year? Nobody don't look on the poster theme? You remember? Alright, find it for me and tell me what's our theme.
Me. Make it till you make it. Embrace the change. We pray and God deliver. God gave us one more chance.
Wear a facade, really to pretend, to be pretentious. That's what the world says. But because we're not.
Placing mine there. Next person or persons. All these things that you have placed here has a significance that it is already done. The theme after 2. 1, 2.
Faith it till you make it.
Again.
Faith it till you make it.
Again.
Faith it till you make it.
All right, so we're going to watch this burn.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me like nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me like nothing. Oh.
That's how it is at paradise. Once you've experienced it, you share God's love with everyone you want to pass it on, pass it on, pass it on.
We're gonna run or walk?
Go as fast as you can.
As fast as you can?
Yes.
Come on, go! Woo! Yeah! Alright, so we can do it. We can do it now. Yeah, I'm not late. Right. Line them up. And then hey guys, I don't know if you're see me, because right now I can't even see myself. So, a sports day.
Do not eye boy. You have your finger underneath it.
So, the maroon sun race right now.
No cheating.
Fatla one.
Oh God! But one. Yeah, then what you want it for free? Hi.
Yes, refreshments and soup.
Refreshment, no soup and chicken.
Which part of the chicken do you like?
I don't know.
The fuck
Breast, style, leg,
I know breast. That one.
type,
You don't know it.
type.
150 and it nice.
Rice, not ready to chicken.
With festival you can get food.
If you want festival, I can get food. Festival and chicken, a food too.
Yes.
What's even food in your belly? Which other activity we are going to do? No, Miss Price, I'm not used to this.
Yeah, me find.
Fire furnace to open and they come out. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego emerged from the furnace. It was clear that the fire had no power over the Son of God. Oh, I believe. Lord, I have now seen as your peace. You are very faithful, God. You are very faithful. Say I'm loved
Hey guys, so I'm just hopping on here to end this vlog. I was actually editing and realized just cutting on brap so Sunday. I'm sorry, I did not vlog a lot on Sunday. I'm really sorry about that. You know, everything just hectic. A lot was going on, so I'm really sorry about that. So yeah, I will make it up to you guys in the next vlog. I hope. Fingers crossed. So yes, thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Leave a comment down below so I know that you watch my videos. I would like to interact with you guys. And guys, I always read my comments. I always respond to my comments. I always try. I have an app that actually tell me like comments I don't respond to. So if I don't respond to it like right away, I eventually get to it. Trust me. Yeah? Alright, so you should comment so I can, you know, communicate with y'all. See who is watching my videos. I'd like to just have a little community to know y'all. So yes. And if you guys have not yet, please follow me on Instagram at BratsBabyGirl. Add my TikTok at BratsK23. They're in the description. So if I'm wrong, don't come at me. So yes, thanks guys again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.